Hi, welcome. Here's your Saxon lesson 139. This will be your final Saxon lesson. Tomorrow we will take our final spelling test for this year as well, okay? So we're starting to wrap things up a little bit, but that doesn't mean the school year is over. I still need you guys to persevere and keep working hard, okay? All right, affix cards. Are you ready?
Yes.
What are affixes? Everyone? They're prefixes and suffixes. That means they're parts of a word that go in the beginning and in the end. All right, go ahead. What is this?
Suffix S, suffix less, suffix E, suffix A, suffix Y, suffix suffix S, suffix less, suffix we, suffix is, suffix ish, suffix edge, suffix full, suffix next, suffix S, suffix else, suffix pre.
Good. Prefix, pre.
Prefix pre. Prefix under. Prefix un. Prefix this. Prefix n and Prefix mono. Prefix y. Prefix try. Prefix quad. Prefix ten. Prefix this. Prefix three. Prefix eight.
Excellent. Good job. Okay, here are our letter cards. Read.
Suffix vowel Y, diagraph N G, diagraph E 8, diagraph E 8, ghost letter diagraph K 8, ghost letter diagraph G 8, ghost letter diagraph W R. Diphthong diagraph O-U. Diphthong diagraph O-W. Diphthong diagraph A-I. Diagraph A-Y. Diphthong O-I. Diphthong O-Y. Diagraph I-G-H. Diagraph T-C-H. G, diagraph D-G-E, diagraph stable, syllable shut, diagraph I-O-A, diagraph A-U, diagraph A-W, O, diagraph stable, syllable shut, diagraph E-W.
Diagraph E-Y. Diagraph U-E. A. Final stable syllable shut. Final
Stable syllable shut.
diagraph E-I. Hold on, sorry. Diagraph E-I. Diagraph I-E. Quadrigraph E-I-G-H. Final.
Stable syllable shut.
Excellent. Final stable syllable ter. All right, here are our picture cards. Are you ready? Cry I.
I.
Candy E.
Candy E.
Ring ng.
Ring
Phone F.
Phone.
Leaf E.
Leaf E.
Thread F.
Thread S.
Steak A.
Steak A.
Knot N.
Not
Gnat N.
Nat
Wreath
Reef
Mouse Ow.
Mouse owl.
Soup Ooh.
Soup ooh.
Cow Ow.
Cow owl.
Bow O.
Bow owl.
Rain A.
Rain A.
Hay A.
Hay A.
Circles.
Circles.
Oil Oi.
Oil oil.
Toy Oi.
Toy oil.
Light Eye.
Light eye.
Patch Ch.
Hatch.
Giraffe J.
Giraffe.
Bridge,
Bridge.
lotion, shun,
Lotion. Shun.
soap, o,
Soap.
faucet, ah,
Faucet.
straw, ah,
Straw.
wallet, ah,
Wallet.
sponge,
Sponge.
mission, shun,
Mission. Shun.
television, jun,
Television.
cashew, ew,
Cashew.
key, e,
Key.
glue, oo,
Glue.
banana,
Banana.
nutritious, shus,
Nutritious.
delicious, shus,
Delicious.
high, I,
High.
shield, e,
Shield. E.
receipt, e,
Receipt. E.
veil, a,
Bill. A.
sleigh, a,
Slay. A.
picture, ch.
Picture.
All right, sight word cards, go.
Become. Go. Busy. Measure.
I don't hear anybody. We're going to start over. Again.
Become. Go. Busy. Measure. Rock.
You're yelling. You don't have to yell, but I want to hear everyone's voice. Try that again.
Sure. Through. Tub. Woman. Stop. Island. Daughter. Beautiful. Servant. Climb. Door. Floor. Live. Move. Often. Pour. Build. Build. Hot. Close. Course. Hard. Outer. Science. Special. Touch.
Good job. All right, spelling high frequency word practice 139. Put your finger next to the spelling sounds review. I'm going to slip my mask off so you can see what I'm saying. On number 1, go ahead and write down the spelling sound for oi. Oi. Class, what is the spelling sound for oi? Excellent. Good job. O-I, final O-Y. Number 2 is ow. Ow. Class. Class. Class.
Yes.
Very good. When I say class, you say.
Yes.
Good job. Class.
Yes.
What is the spelling sound for oh, what did I just say? Oh, ow, sorry. What is it? O-U, final O-W. Number 3, R. R, class. What's the spelling sound for R? A-R. Number 4, look at my mouth. What is the spelling sound for E-R. Number 5, or. What is it, class? O-R. Number 6 is qua. What is it, class? Q-U. Number 7 is wah. What is it, class? W-H. Number 8 is soul. What is it? S-L-E. Soul. S-L-E. Well, now I did. Number 9 is, you ready? Number 9 is a long one. Okay. It is K. That is K, comma, C, final C, K, comma, K, comma, K, E, comma, C. Excellent job. All right, you ready? Where it says review words, I want you to write overcook for number 10. Overcook. Overcook means to cook too much. Overcook. Dustin, how do you spell overcook? Very good. Overcook. Overcook. Okay, number 11 is spying. Spying. Jacob H. How do you spell spying? Very good. S-P-Y-I-N-G. Spying. All right, number 12. Misprint. Misprint. Leah, how do you spell misprint? Good. M-I-S-P-R-I-N-T. Sight words. 13. Hour. What hour is it? Like the hour on a clock. Hour, Rena. Excellent. H-O-U-R. Number 14 is science. Dominic, science. Excellent. S-C-I-E-N-C-E. 15 is special. Special. Amaria. Oh, close. You missed a letter. Amariah. Oh, close. You still missed a letter. Christian. Good. S-P-E-C-I-A-L. Good job. You guys are really awesome with supporting each other. Okay, number 16 is the sentence. The sentence is, Tad and his sister will take a vacation this summer, period. So again, it is Tad and his sister will take a vacation this summer, period. Go ahead and write that down. You can pause the video now. Okay, your sentence should look like mine. Todd and his sister will take a vacation this summer. Make sure that everything I have is written down on your paper correctly, okay? The T needs to be capital. The period needs to be at the end. Make sure that your handwriting looks nice. Don't just write it down real fast. If you need some time to write this down, pause the video now. Pause the video now. Okay, today we're going to look at the syllable division patterns we've learned this year, and also the spelling rules. How do we know when a word has more than one syllable? If a word has more than one syllable, it has more than 2 vowel sounds, right? What are some syllable division patterns that we have learned so far? All right, we're going to write these down. Miss Leah, give me one. Very good. We've learned the V-C-C-V. What else have we learned, Rena? Good. V with 3 C's and a V. And what else have we learned, Destin?
VCV.
Good job. The VCV. And there's another one. Dominic. Very good. You are right. VCCVCCV. Excellent job. Okay, so we said there was VCCV and then VCCCV and then VCV and then VCCVCCV. Woo, that's a lot of C's and V's. And what's the last one?
Wait, what?
We've learned one more, Leah.
Yeah, VC.
No, it was
VV.
Ah, good job. It was VV. Okay, I'll wait. Where are some of the different places we could divide this pattern? So for the VCCV, we have some options. VCCV. Where's one place we could divide this pattern? What's the first rule that we learned? Where?
Put it,
Between the two C's. We learned that at the beginning of the year. And the accent goes in the beginning. We also learned that if it looks like this, we can put the accent at the end. So it could be like this in the beginning or like this in the end. We learned that the division line goes between the two C's. Very good. We also learned that we can write it like this. V, C, C, V. And then the division line goes between the V and the C. And the accent goes there. Correct?
Yeah.
Okay. We also learned that there is a V, C, C, V. Division line goes there, and the accent goes there. And one last way that we learned is the same as this, kind of, but the accent goes at the end. Very good. Awesome. Where are some of the different places we could divide the pattern? We just talked about that. Okay, we're going to move on then. Let's look at the next set. We have the V, C, 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 V, the three C's. What's one way we can divide that? We have V, C, 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 V. Oh, look, it's already divided. Right, right there, and the accent goes there in the beginning. Another way is V, C, 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 V. Accent can go at the end, and it's still divided after the first consonant. We talked about how another way is V, C, 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 V, and then the division line goes there, and the accent goes there. One last way was the V, C, 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 V, and the division line goes there, and the accent goes at the end. Woo, that's a lot. Almost done. V, C, V. Those are easy. No, there's 4. Okay, VCV. One way is the division line goes between the V and the C, the first V and the C, and the accent goes in the beginning. We also learned that the division line can go here, but now the accent's at the end. Very good. We also learned that the division line can go at the second part of the syllable, but the accent is in the beginning. We've also learned that the accent can still be after the consonant, and the division line can go after the consonant, and the accent is at the end. Very good. All right, we have let's see. Yep. All right, that's all we're gonna go over. But where are some of the different places we could divide? We just talked about that. Okay, today I'm going to write some words on the board and see if you can identify the pattern in each word. We're going to have the word Atlantic, pattern, river, here's a big word, deprive, around, and total. Whoa, let's look at these words for a few minutes and see what the spelling rules are that we can apply to these words. So, how can we code the word Atlantic? Destin. V, C, C, V. Where does the line go? Between the T and the L. Very good. And Atlantic. Boom. Good job. How about in river? How do I code river? Very good. It's a VCV. Now say it. River. Where do we put the division line?
In the middle of the V.
Between the I and the V. And the I has a grieve. Actually, the accent goes at the end. What? River. It's longer and stronger. Okay, how about the word around? Christian. O-U. V-C-V. Right? This is a long vowel. It's A-round.
A-round?
Is it A-round?
A-round.
Good job. Yes, I had 4 people paying attention. I was trying to trick you. Very good. It has a squawk because it makes the sound. Around. Very good. Let's look at pattern. Pattern has a pattern. What is the pattern, Amaria? V-C-C-V. Boom. What is this one? Boom. Boom. Pattern. How about deprive? Hey, Mariah. B-C-C-V. Where's the accent? Beginning or end? Beginning. Very good. Deprive. And then we have total. That one's a what, Leah? Very good. VCV. The line goes between the O and the T. A, total or total?
Total.
So this has a squawk. And then the O is total. Is it long or short? O is total. Okay, very good. Total. All right, let's move on. Let's go ahead and take out our spelling high frequency word practice page to the back where it says new sounds and words. Next to number 1 on the back, I want you to write down the word taking. Taking. All right, class. How do we spell taking?
T-A-K-I-N-G.
Number 2, taking. T-A-K-I-N-G. Good job. Number 2, eject. Eject.
You have got.
All right, Haney, eject. Very good. E-J-E-C-T. Excellent. And number 3 is fantastic. Fantastic. And Mariah? No, you're close. You were very close, but you messed up at the end. JC? Excellent. F-A-N-T-A-S-T-I-C. Fantastic. All right, let's read the words in the high frequency word box together. Are you ready?
Yes.
Door, climb, could, clothes, certain, science, special, beautiful. 2 sentences using 2 different words. On the backs, review the syllable division rules. You're going to decide which VCCV rule it is. Code them. On the bottom, it says spell. Ooh, I love this one. This one's fun. It says spell the following dictionary coded words using spelling rules you have learned. So this is not the right way to write it. You're going to sound it out and see what it says. Let's do number 1. Stack. Is that how you spell stack? No. How do you really spell stack?
S-T-A-C-K.
So we're going to write S-T-A-C-K. Stack. You understand?
Yeah.
Let's look at number 2. When we sound it out, it says Sunk. Sunk. How do you spell sunk? Excellent. S-U-N-K. This is easy. Okay, I'm just going to do 3 now. Lodge. Lodge. How do you spell lodge?
L-O-D-G-E.
Good job. L-O-D-G-E. Lodge. L-O-D-G-E. All right, very easy, very cool. I like it. On the back. You ready? You're going to read the words in the box that have different syllable division patterns. Use as many of these words as you can to write sentences. You can also include other words with different patterns. Be sure to use the spelling rules. You have learned to spell the words correctly. I'm going to ask you, today's the grand finale, so it's going to be 20. Today will be 20 sentences. Now, you already did 20. You did 15. Oh, you did 20? So it's going to be 25 then. Yes. Don't yell. Don't yell. Okay. So, I'm going to push you to your limit, and I'm going to see how far you can go. What I want you to do, you're going to use... Yeah, that's possible. Okay, 25 words. You can either write a story. It's obviously a made-up story. And if you use 25 words in the story, then you don't need 25 sentences. But if you don't want to do the story, then you can do the sentences. Either way, please make sure you highlight the words you use, capital letter in the beginning, and a period at the end. I promise I am doing this because I want you to be a better writer. Okay? It's not just so to punish you. That's not what this is for. I'm not trying to punish you. Okay? All right. Have fun learning, and this will be our last Saxon lesson. I will see you later. Bye.